Hello and welcome once again to Erwin's Megastore. Today we're going to be unboxing the Klarstein Shetland, that's S-H-E-T, not the other one, the Klarstein Shetland Dehumidifier 600. And here it is. Let's do this. This little dehumidifier withdraws up to 220 milliliters of water per day, and it has a tiny power consumption of just 22 watts. It's particularly suitable for rooms and storage areas that have little to no ventilation, especially when you want to get some of that moisture out of the air. It stores the moisture in this convenient little tank here, and it will stop once this is full, so that you can empty it. If you need your room to be slightly less humid, then the Klarstein Shetland 600 dehumidifier is the one for you. Enjoy!